Behind every growing city are systems that most of us don't even see or think about, including those that move and manage water. Joining us now to explain why that matters, I'm delighted to welcome Mr. Etienne from Flowhite. Etienne, lovely to see you. So tell me again, it's not something a lot of us think about every day, but of course we're all becoming more aware of about health and wellness and thinking about the quality of pipes running under our grounds, bringing us our fresh water every day really matters. Talk me through Flowhite, originally from the US and has been setting up and expanding across the UAE and the region for quite some time now.
Yes, so Flowhite is based on a product that has been developed for many years and that enables you to carry the water that you will drink potentially, you will live with in a very healthy way. So you don't realize it every day, but in the pipes, with the water, there could be infection that is there and that could affect your health over time. To correct this, the government will make sure that all products are added to the water to remove that and make the water healthy in one way and not another. With Flowhite, we are able actually to carry the water in the best way possible and the best durability.
Okay, interesting, because from what I understand, these pipes are CWPC and they're substantially, I guess, healthier or better for you than often we're typically used to PPR, don't we? So
yes.
For people who are not aware of those little differentiations, talk us through what that really means.
Well, what that really means is that you are able with these pipes to have the right harmless chemicals in the water so that you will be fully protected and the pipe will last extremely long without being degraded.
Okay, and of course in Dubai's extreme summer heat as well, obviously having something that is resilient is really important. We want something that's not going to break down, that's not going to bring a lot of dust and dirt. How does it rate on that factor?
It rates really perfectly, so the durability is much higher.
Okay.
And additionally, if you look at the installation cost, the cost of production, you will be able to save on the construction of your building, on the installation, and down the line of a product of a higher quality.
Okay, incredible. And of course, we're seeing a big manufacturing push in the UAE over the past few years. Last week, in fact, we saw the government announce a $1 billion dirham fund designed for industrial resilience. So the UAE is really starting to become a much bigger player when it comes to local manufacturing. What role do you see Flowhite playing in that?
Well, Flowhite is committed to produce all the pipes for the UAE market in the UAE. So that brings resilience as we want it, that brings jobs, and that's the goal of the entire nation at the moment.
So, Etienne, definitely some big opportunities there. Now tell me, this kind of technology is quite new here for the UAE, isn't it? But it's been around for a little while.
Yeah, the technology has been around for a long time, and in other markets it has really taken the market by storm. In India, in Saudi, it's the major product, but somehow in the UAE it has not been deployed yet fully, and by having the manufacturing on the ground in the UAE, that will enable to open the market and let all the developers benefit from this product on the ground.
And also giving new opportunities, I think, for upskilling and employment here in the Emirates as well, which is another key goal for the government.
Yes, for sure, we will manufacture here, all the employees will be working here.
Okay, now one factory in production at the moment. What about expanding further across the UAE? What's the ultimate ambition for Flowhite as you see it?
Well, right now the ambition really is to serve the UAE market properly. And because it's a new product, we know the traction is going to be very high. But still, because we talk about projects that take 1-2 years to come to fruition, it will still take a few years to really deploy across all the segments of the market.
Fantastic. Well, exciting to be a part of it. And I have to say, I think the health benefits for something like that is more important than ever for all of us. So,
this is
Etienne,
true.
thank you so much for your time, and really excited to hear about the next step on Flowhite's journey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.